Welcome back to the Late Night Show with Alex Burns. This show is dedicated to detail the different biomes of the world, and tonight we're going to be interviewing a human impact specialist, an environmental scientist, and an intern from the coldest biome on the planet called the Tundra. The Tundra is located from 70 degrees north to 60 degrees north. We'll be jumping right into this freezing climate right after these short messages.
For just 60 cents a day, you can help save these tundra wildlife animals. Call now at 1-800-SAVE-THE-TUNDRA or go online and donate at savethetundrawildlife.org.
Welcome back. So here with me now is Taylor Cochran, an environmental scientist that has focused her research on the Tundra Biome. So to start off, can you tell us a little bit about the Tundra and its environment?
The Tundra's biome has a very cold climate that causes animals there to have adaptations in order for them to survive in the most harshest of conditions. For example, the polar bear has long, stiff hair that allows them to have traction and keeps their feet from getting too cold. Arctic foxes have hair that changes colors with the seasons to protect itself from the predators. And walruses have blubber up to 6 inches thick to help withstand the freezing water temperatures.
Under these harsh conditions, are there any plants that can survive?
As a matter of fact, plants have to have just as many adaptations in order to survive like animals. Tundra plants are small and low growing due to the lack of nutrients, as well as being close to the ground, which helps the plants from freezing. The plants in this biome are darker in color, which helps them absorb heat, and most plants grow in clumps to keep warm. Some flowers also have dish-like shapes that allow them to follow the sun so they can absorb as much heat as possible.
Are there any characteristics of the Tundra that stand out to you over everything else?
Well, as a matter of fact, the tundra, because of its location, gets very little sun year-round and is sometimes referred to as land of the midnight sun.
That is very interesting. While we were talking about the sun and how there's almost none in this tundra, let's go over to this freezing cold environment with our intern, Madeline Needham. Hey Madeline, how's everything going over there?
I'm just hanging here with the polar bears.
So how cold is it over there?
Here the winter temperatures never reach over 20 degrees Fahrenheit and averages negative 20 to negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit. A typical summer day in the tundra would be considered a winter day in any other biome, with temperatures reaching a high of 50 degrees Fahrenheit.
Am I able to understand that since there's so much ice in this environment, there's very much rainfall?
Actually, it's quite the opposite. The rainfall here is relatively low. The tundra only receives 6 to 10 inches per year, including melted snow. The air here is cold and dry and gets as much rain as the driest deserts. As you can see here on this chromatogram on the tundra biome, the precipitation levels are decreased in the summer, even more than in the winter, with the temperatures ranging from negative 30 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius.
Thank you for clarifying. After this break, we'll be speaking with a human impact specialist to talk about how humans have helped and damaged this wintry climate, so stay tuned.
These are the endangered plant species of the tundra. For 20 cents a day, you could help impact and change this ecosystem forever. Call 1-800-SAVE-THE-TUNDRA right now with your small gift of 20 cents a day. This could forever impact this ecosystem.
Welcome back. So here with me now is human impact specialist Carly White. So Carly, how have humans impacted the Tundra biome?
First off, I'm sure everyone has heard of a raging phenomenon called global warming. This is caused by the excessive amounts of CO2 that's being released into the air every day more and more by humans. Eventually, global warming can lead to the elimination of Arctic regions such as the tundra. Also, 1/3 of the world's soil-bound carbon is in tundra permafrost. So as the soil thaws, carbon dioxide is released back into the atmosphere, thus adding to the problem. Well, the federal and state governments are constantly claiming land as national parks to try to conserve some of the many endangered species, as well as coming up with renewable and healthier ways to eliminate CO2 pollution.
Sadly, this is all the time we have for tonight. Thank you for tuning into the Late Night Show with Alex Burns. I hope everyone enjoyed our special guest and have a good night. By the way, save the cheetahs.